Hi students, good morning to all. Dear students, in your 7th standard, chapter number 1 is what? Integers are here. Chapter number 1, integers. Dear students, in your integers chapter, you learn about integers, more concept in your previous class, addition of integers, subtraction of integers, and also some laws of integers are here. For example, closure law, associative law, commutative law, additive identity. You learn about more concept in your integers, and also in your previous class, you will learn about addition of integers. And also, today we have discussed about only multiplication of integer. Multiplication of integers. Multiplication of integers are here. How to do the multiplication of integers in different side, different integers. Example number 1. Therefore, multiplication of integers. First of all, plus only positive integers multiplication. Plus 3 into plus 7. This number is only multiplication. Again, plus into plus is plus. Therefore, 3 7 are 21. That example is over. 2 is again same positive integers. Plus 7 into plus 2 is the again positive is the plus into plus is plus 7 2s are 14. Next example number 3 is again you can take same positive number plus 6 into plus 11 is the multiplication. Plus is the plus into plus is plus 6 11 is 66. Got it? This is only positive integers. The next one is example number 4. Fourth one is minus 3 into plus 4. Opposite signs are here. When the opposite signs you can multiplication, that is negative. Minus into plus is minus. 3 4s are 12. This is your answer. Next one is fifth one example is again minus 7 into plus 3 is the, therefore minus into plus is minus, opposite signs are here. 7 3s are 21. This is your answer. Next sixth one also here, you can check yourself. Next example, plus 8 into minus 4 is the, therefore again plus into minus is minus. When the opposite signs multiplication is only minus is the 8 4s are 32. Answer is minus 32 is the. Okay. The next one, seventh example is the both are negative number negative integer. For example, minus 5 into minus 2. Both negative integers, the product is plus. Minus into minus is plus. 5 2s are 10. 5 2s are 10. Eighth example is also check yourself once again. Therefore, minus 4 into minus 6. Therefore, multiplication again both the integers are negative. That this product is plus is there. Minus into minus is plus. 4 6 the 24. 4 6 the 24 is the. Check yourself once again also. Again minus 7 into minus 11. Therefore, again both are negative integer. This product is also negative. Plus is the 7 11s are 77. Got it? These all are multiplication of integers are here. Multiplication of integers. Dear student, you learned about in the previous class addition. That is no problem. Addition is there. Okay. Today I will discuss about only multiplication of integers are here. Okay. You know what? Addition of integer, subtraction of integer, multiplication of integers in your number line. Okay. Learn about example number 1. Add plus 3 and plus 4 on number line. Got it? Okay, we can do number line 0. Any negative numbers are here? No negative numbers. Only positive is 0, plus 1, plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 is the none, and so on, etc. Our value is addition is the first of all plus 3. Where is plus 3? You starting 0. Starting to 0. 0 to 3. 1. This is plus 3. Plus again addition. Plus 4 is the starting 3 to you can count 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore, this is 4 plus 4. Our answer is plus 7. Our answer is plus 7. Add on the number line. Our example 2, add plus 5 and minus 2 on a number line. On number line. Very easy. Again you can draw one number line. Therefore, any negative numbers are here, no problem. Minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are all positive. No problem. Next, we can do this one simplification. First number is plus 5. Where is plus 5? Here is a run. Starting 0 to plus 5. This is plus 5. Next, what about minus 2? You can subtract minus 2 from plus 5. The minus subtraction rule is in the number line. Subtraction rule is in reverse order. Reverse order. How many numbers are here? 2. 1, 2. This is reverse order. This is minus 2. Our answer is plus 3. Our answer is plus 3. This like addition is the addition on the number line. Got it? Next, your concept is multiplication on the number line. Multiplication on the number line. Example number 1. Multiply plus 4 into plus 3 on number line. Okay, do yourself once again. First of all, you can do number line. Starting 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and etc. Got it? These are the positive integers. 4 into 3. Multiplication 4 into how many times? 3 times. Starting 0 to 4. 1 time. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 1 time. How many times are 3 times? Again 1, 2, 3, 4. This is second time. First time, second time. Next again third time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore, this is third time. Therefore, answer is plus 12. Plus 12 is the. This is plus 4 into plus 3. This like is the. Okay. The next one. You can do it over multiplication of integers. More than 2 integers. Only to do yourself only multiplication of 2 integers. Multiplication more than 2 integers. More than 2 integers. How to do the multiplication of more than 2 integers? For example number 1, minus 3 into plus 2 into minus 4. Minus 4. Do your simplification. There are 3 integers are here. How you can do the simplification? First of all, you can do starting 2. Starting 2. 1 is negative, 1 is positive. Multiplication of these two. Minus into plus is minus. Minus into plus is minus. 3 to the 6. Again into side is the minus 4 is the. Got it? Next step is again these two multiplication. Minus into minus is plus. 6 4s are 24. Your answer is 24. Plus 24 is the. Then next example. Example number 2. Multiplication of more than 2 integers. Minus 5 into minus 2 into minus 4. multiplication. Therefore, first step is multiplication of starting two numbers. Minus 5 into minus 2. Therefore, minus into minus is what? Plus is that. 5 2s are 10 over. Again into same as it is, right? Minus 4. The next multiplication is you can do again these two integers. The product plus into minus is minus 4. 10 4s are 40. Your answer is minus 40. Answer is minus 40 is the. Again check yourself. Example number 3. Example number 3. More than 2 integers. Minus 1. Minus 1 integer. Into minus 2 integer. Into minus 3 integer. Into minus 4 integer. 4 integers are here. The product of 4 integers. Therefore, multiplication is you can do starting 2 integers. Minus into minus is plus. 1 into 2 is 1 into complete. Again, you can write 2 integers same as it is into minus 3 into minus 4. The next multiplication again first we can do 2 integers. Plus into minus is minus. 2 3s are 6 is there. Again into sign same as it is minus 4. The next one minus into minus is plus. Therefore 6 4s are 24. Your answer. You can do yourself this like examples. Multiplication of more than 2 integers. Got it? The next one you can apply the formula on the integers. Multiplication of integers. For example, multiplication is the in your previous class. Check yourself once again. First one is what? Closure property. Closure property of property under multiplication. Multiplication. Closure property under multiplication is if A and B are integers, then A into B also integer. Got it? Closure property under multiplication. First example number 1. Check your closure property. Minus 4 and minus 6. Therefore, product of minus 4 is an integer, minus 6 is an integer. These two integer product minus 4 into minus 6 is equal to minus into minus is plus. Next 4 6 is 24. Therefore, this is also integer. Got it? Next second example. Example 2 is minus 5 into minus plus 3 is there. These two are integer. You can check your closure property into minus into plus is minus. 3 5s are 15. Minus 15 are also integer. Got it? This one is closure property under multiplication. Closure property under multiplication. The next one is what? Commutative property is there. The next one is commutative property under multiplication. Again, same. If meaning of commutative property under multiplication means if A and B are the integers, then A into B is equal to B into A is there. A into B is equal to B into A is there. Okay. The next one is what? Check your example. Example number 1. Check your commutative. Check commutative property. Therefore, commutative property means you can check example number 1. You can choose any integer minus 7 and plus 2. Our rule is A into B is equal to B into A. Therefore, A value is minus 7 into B value is plus 2 is equal to B value is plus 2 into A value is minus 7. Multiplication of these two, minus into plus is minus, 7 2s are 14 is equal to, again plus into minus is minus, 2 7s are 14, therefore LHS is equal to RHS. Our commutative property under multiplication is holds good. Got it? Next, again second example, check yourself. Second one example, commutative property under multiplication. Integers are minus 8 and plus 5. Plus 5. Check your commutative property under multiplication. Our rule is A into B is equal to B into A is the A is minus 8 into B is plus 5 is equal to B is plus 5 into A is minus 8. Therefore, simplification. Minus into plus is minus. 8 5s are 40 is equal to, again plus into minus is minus. 5 8s are 40. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Our commutative property under multiplication is also holds good. Got it? The next property is what? The next property, associative property is the associative property under multiplication is the write down associative property under multiplication. Property under multiplication. Meaning of associative property under multiplication means if A, B and C are the integers, then A into bracket of B into C is equal to A into bracket of B into C is there. This is our associative property under multiplication. Check your some example. Example number 1. Check associative property. Integers are you can choose anyone. Minus 3 plus 2 plus 5. Divided associative property. Condition is A into B bracket completely into C is equal to A into bracket of B into C. And put the value. A means minus 3 is the into B means plus 2 is the bracket complete into C means plus 5 is the is equal to A means minus 3 into bracket of B value is plus 2 into plus 5 is the again multiplication. Minus into plus is minus 3 to the 6 into plus 5 as it is, therefore is equal to minus 3 as it is into plus is plus 2 5s are 10. Again multiplication. Minus into plus is minus 6 5s are 30 is equal to again minus into plus is minus 3 10s are 30. LHS is equal to RHS. Our associative property under multiplication is also holds good. Got it? This is our associative property. The next one is the last one is that is multiplicative identity. You know about additive identity? Additive identity is 0 is that is most important. Additive identity is 0. Next one is multiplicative identity. Multiplicative identity. Therefore, this is also most important. Multiplicative identity is very important. That is only multiplicative identity 1. Multiplicative identity is 1. That is most important in your previous class and also your quiz competition, your etc. CET questions also. Next, what is the meaning of multiplicative identity? Therefore, if A is an integer, then A into 1 is equal to 1. Sorry, A is equal to 1 into A is equal to A. This like this. For example number 1, consider minus 3 is an integer. Minus, our condition is a into 1 is equal to a is equal to 1 into a. Therefore, a value is minus 3 into 1 is equal to minus 3 is equal to 1 into minus 3. Therefore, minus 3 into 1 is minus 3 is equal to minus 3 is equal to minus 3. Hence the proof of our multiplicative identity. Okay, dear students, today we will learn about only multiplication of integers, all properties, associative and also multiplicative identity, closure property and commutative property. Okay, you do your homework, some examples on our multiplications. I shall continue next class.